Welcome my people. Today I would love to show you guys what I use to steam my face instead of the facial steamer. I use the clothing steamer. Yes, to steam my face. Steaming your face is very much important. It helps you to have that glow, clean skin. So that is what I use. But at my kitchen, on the background, it's having a lot of things. But yeah, let's focus mainly on the steamer. If you're having a clothing steamer at hand, use it. And just make sure that you are on a distance, because that smoke is always hot. Don't be too close to the steamer, otherwise you will burn your face, and we don't want that. Or if you don't have that clothing steamer, you can always just boil water and then you put in a jar or a basin, and then you steam your face. Yum. After that, I'm going to use Garnier products with my toner. Of course, yes, you can see that. Rinse off first the sweat from the steaming, because when you're steaming, the heat is hitting your skin, and then you have some sweat. I'm going to scrub my face first before I go in with cleansing. So just continue watching the video, my family, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty hacks.